Adultery is a killer. In my village, in Yoruba land, they call adultery agbere. And I decided to turn it this way. Agbaere. Collector of profit. Proverbs chapter 5. Proverbs chapter 6. Proverbs chapter 7. Men, I'm a woman. And I'm telling you this. If you didn't hear anything today, hear this. By reason of adultery, a man is reduced not to a loaf of bread, not to a bakery of bread, but to a slice. Biologically speaking, every woman is the same. There's nothing you are looking for in any woman outside your marriage that your wife does not have. Is in packaging, branding. Rebrand your wife. Rebrand her. Talk to her. You think your wife is ugly, give her $10,000. That's all. Send her to New York. When she returns, you will not believe this is your wife. Send her to conferences. Buy dresses for her. Introduce her to places where she can be repackaged. Minutes of enjoyment can destroy a destiny. And scientists are now saying that when you sleep with someone, all the ori buruku in that person's life in the last 15 years follows you. I've not really researched that thing, but that's what I'm hearing now. There's nothing you are looking for. It reduces your integrity. It reduces everything. It makes you look cheap. Discipline. Integrity. You don't need a female secretary if you know you can't handle it. I say this to you as a woman. There is no man a woman cannot finish. We, women. Women. Do you know our name? B-E-E. We can sting and we can produce on it. Go and ask Samson. Don't price what you don't want to buy. Don't smell what you don't want to eat. It doesn't matter. I'm strong. You are not strong. Before a woman, no man is strong. Even in marriage, you are the head. We are the neck. The neck turns the head. It is the truth. Men, you know what I'm talking about. Without manipulating you, godly Christian women is the way we are made. Please flee from every appearance of evil.